Congratulations!
Clint and Arian, as pasalamat mig dako sa imong ate na kami gikuha ninyog ninong. So bisag layo mi amo ang responsibility namo as a godparents, always be with us you guys, in na lang mi sa inyong mga kinahanglan mo advice gikan sa moa. So anda mi mo hatag og advice inyo sa inyong kaminyoon. Ug dako ako pasalamat na minabot na mo ana na situation. So continue love each other and always put God in the center of your marriage.
Hi, I'm Princess. Congratulations on getting married. Have lots of kids and good luck.
Good luck.
Congratulations, Ate and Kuya. Hopefully, you guys had a fun wedding, and also probably one of your most precious moments of your life, and also a new beginning. And so I just wish you guys good luck. And if you guys ever come to the U.S., I'll be your personal tour guide, and then hopefully I'm married next. So.
Hi Ariane and Clint. Congratulations to both of you. Thank you for making us one of the sponsors for your wedding today, and hope that the love you shared today will even grow stronger as you grow also older. And please remember to be open in terms of communication to each other, because sa nga ng pamaagi, there will be peace in the family of yours, and this will be the beginning of a happy family life of yours.
So, by the way, so base natingala mo duha ra na sila diri, ako mga bata ang duha nag-attend pag party.
Yeah.
So we cannot wait them.
They're drinking.
They cannot wait them that
Drinking.
they're still singing. So but anyway, again, congratulations and welcome, Clint, to the Medrano family and the Himao family. So you are very welcome to the Himao, and as well as also si Ariana also, hope na welcome also to inyong pamilya. Once again, pasalamat ko sa inyong mga parents, both parents ug sa tanan mga ninong na tubag sa inyo hangyo na mahimog yung sponsor o godparents. Not unta na ang ilang responsibilidad ila na tumanon as going through your new beginning of your life as a married couple. Once again, congratulations!
Congratulations!